Hey guys, I'm gonna do another keto what I eat in a day video. So I'm having these muffin type things that I made in a bagel pan, and they are raspberry chocolate chip, and I have some cream cheese on the side. I just put that on really fast because if you can't tell, I need to nurse my baby. These are really, really yummy, and I kind of made the recipe up, so maybe I will post it. It's really good. I am having a snack of Thai tea. This has Thai tea, condensed milk, and a few drops of vanilla cream stevia. And I mostly drink this tea for the caffeine because I am taking care of a newborn and a toddler.
And a husband.
And a husband. And I need some caffeine. So that's the second thing I'm eating today. Here is my lunch. I'm having some green olives, a bell pepper, and then keto chicken salad with peas. It's really, really, really good. Yum. For dinner, I am having a low-carb chipotle, so it's just chipotles without any of the corn or the rice or the beans on it. And a big helping of guacamole. Yum.